What? Really? Woof! Oh my gosh! Jackson is right! We're gonna be opening the Puppy Play Park from Puppy in My Pocket! Oh, and we get 2 exclusive puppies! And here we have some friends to play with, 2 exclusive ones! Do you remember them? This is Gigi, Scotty, Winston the Boxer, Chelsea! And in my pocket I've got Dot, the Dalmatian puppy. Ow! He's so cute. Oh, the puppy's shouting to get them out of the box. Come here, puppies. Here is Titus, the English Mastiff. Go to meet your new friends, quick. Woof, 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 woof. And here is... Oh no, Gigi, don't eat the food. Wait to share it with all the puppies. Oh, Gigi, good girl. So here is Jackson, the Labradoodle. So just to let you know, this little guy here loves swinging in the tire swing. I know you like it, Taito. Oh, Taito! And he also loves leaping over the hydrant hurdle. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah. Taito is a little bit lively. Okay, guys, let's see who is gonna make the bigger jump. Are you ready? Whoop! Yeah! Whoop! That was a good one. Oh, Dot, you can't jump in this box. Let me help you. Whoop! Oh, sweetie. Oh, Taito, that was awesome! Woof! Oh, well done! Taito! Jackson loves... Whoa, Jackson! Oh, they're gonna destroy my equipment here. Woof, 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 woof. Oh! Oh! Yeah! Who is thirsty? Woof, woof. Okay, guys. Easy. Woof, 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 woof. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's food time.
I'm Jem.
And I'm Rachel Rach.
Don't forget to subscribe to Wonderworld TV
to enjoy 2 new videos every day.
Can't wait to see you there.